Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to organize your t-shirts. We are going to see different products that can be used to organize your t-shirts. So let us see which are the products that we can use and that will help us in organizing our t-shirts. So this is one more shirt and t-shirt organizer that is available on Amazon and which I had ordered to organize the t-shirts and shirts. So this, as you can see, it's very easy. Again, we can use the store method of folding your t-shirts to organize t-shirts in this. So, and of course we use stacking. We have to stack the t-shirts on top of each other in this. So this is how you can store or organize your t-shirts in this organizer. This is again very easy to maintain. Yes, so we can use this organizer to store our t-shirts and shirts. So we can use this kind of baskets to organize your t-shirts. And if you're using baskets to organize your t-shirt, you can use KonMari method of folding t-shirts so that you can place your t-shirts vertically in the basket. So they are visible to you and it is very easy to maintain. So this is a product, t-shirt organizer that I have ordered from Amazon. So it helps to organize your t-shirts. If we are using a traditional way of stacking our t-shirts, we see that when you pull one t-shirt out, so the others get disturbed. So in this, it is very easy to pull out the t-shirt that you want. So all you have to do is you place your t-shirts on this board, each of the board, this way. So I have used store method of folding t-shirts here, and as you can see, you can just stack them on top of each other and you can remove the t-shirt you want without disturbing the other t-shirts. So this is one of the products you can use to organize your t-shirts. So today we saw different ways of organizing your t-shirts and the products that can be used to organize your t-shirts. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do not forget to like my video and share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every Saturday. Thank you very much. Bye.